Traders, it's August 27, 2018. It's a Monday. It's after the market close. I'm going to provide a trading report update on Hemp, H-E-M-P. Haven't provided an update for quite a while on her. I had posted her on Twitter a few times in the past, but I figured, you know what, it's about time to provide an update on HEMP. So let's take it away and we'll see what's going to happen moving forward. So what we've seen here, hemp is resilient. Actually, the whole marijuana stock industry in general is resilient, and it seems like they're doing well. What's happening here is, you know, hemp has news every day, so you guys have to differentiate what's good news from bad news, or what's news and what's really not news. You know, I think hemp is one of the most popular companies when it comes to releasing news feeds, and I think they release a lot more news feeds. I mean, I think this one company releases 10 times more news feeds than maybe like 5 companies, maybe even 10 companies put together. It's amazing how many releases they put out there. At least I want to say 2 a week. You know, then there was news on her today again. You know, just it's insane how there's always news. Anyhow, let's get to the point. Marijuana industry looks like it's booming. That includes hemp. You have a tripled the bottom right here. You see a shoulder being formed here, and what it looks like. Oh, let me just move further back. Right here needs about 2 more humps or so. So we could see it trail down. We could see it trail back a little bit. But on the flip side is once she, let me just remove the shadow because it's irritating me, that trend line. Okay, so we want to see her break this resistance level. But what we could see happen is that she trades around sideways from around the end of August to about December, January 2019. I mean, that's the worst case scenario if she doesn't break through the resistance here. You know, there's 2 levels of resistance that we need to worry about, and I'll show you the first 2. This one is not worth our time, but these are the 2, right? It's this one right here and this one at 0.067. The first one at 0.0461. If this resistance holds true, she'll trade till about January at these levels, and then she'll break out. But if she can break through this resistance, we want to keep an eye on the 0.067, because if she can break through there, she's going to surge really fast. But if not, she can always trail back down and create support anywhere from, well, 0.067 if it creates resistance and doesn't break through. She'll create support anywhere from, I would say, 0.05 to 0.03. It's a little too early to determine the exact resistance levels and support, well, not support levels. We already have its bottom, right? But moving forward, we will know that if she breaks through here at 0.0461, her resistance is at 0.067. She can create resistance anywhere below 0.067. And if she does that, chances are she'll create support again anywhere from 0.03 to a nickel. Okay? Now, if she doesn't break through 0.0461, she can trade sideways for about till around New Year's. And then from that point on, she'll break through 0.0461. She can find resistance at 0.067, but it will break very easily because it consolidated even longer and forcing more buying pressure and forcing sellers to, you know, fold their hands or cancel out, whatever the hell they want to do, or cover their shorts, etc. So look into this. I just think marijuana industry in a whole is going to do real well anywhere from the end of 2018, 4th quarter of 2018 into sometime of 2019. Keep your eyes on this. Once again, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Remember, if you want to take a live trading course with me and understand the trading language, visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, and go to the live trading course section.